Hi guys, welcome back to Midshire TV, the channel for all of your business communications technology needs. Today we're going to discuss what is your old phone system haunting you? So you may have a telephone system in place that has been there and ideal for your needs up to this point. But as technology has evolved, and particularly in today's needs, it's not up to the standards that you require. Especially within the current climate, many more people across the globe are working from home. And your telephone system needs to give them access in order to do their jobs effectively and efficiently. Traditionally, phone systems weren't built for that. They were built for people in their offices working at a desk. But that has changed. So it might be time to upgrade your phone system to give you better access to those communications, to keep your work, your office, working effectively and efficiently. Having an old telephone system comes with its own haunting risks of its own, even prior to the pandemic that we're living through. As the technology has evolved, so has the security due to the vulnerabilities of old telephone systems for hacking and exploiting for benefit of unscrupulous individuals out there, and they do exist. Scalability and flexibility are also risks of old telephone systems. So if you're migrating to a remote workforce or flexible working, things like that, you need to be agile in order to deploy these handsets and applications easily and effectively to reduce the amount of downtime within your business. And in this uncertain world, agility is actually very, very key to what we do. But traditionally, phone systems, old phone systems, don't have the ability to make these changes fundamentally on the fly. Your old telephone system could also be at risk of failing. Older telephone systems, over time, they experience wear and tear, like anything else. Particularly in technology, these should be replaced over a period of time, and if you don't have a maintenance plan, if something goes wrong, it's going to be very expensive and very difficult to get someone out. If you have got an ancient phone system, it's quite possible that those parts are going to be very, very difficult to get a hold of. So maybe it's time to upgrade.
So we have spoken about the negatives, and it might look a little dim, but there is light at the end of the tunnel. Here are the phone systems we recommend for your type of business.
If the majority of your staff are working from home, then we recommend a hosted telephone system, such as HostX. It's 100% in the cloud, so all you need is your telephone, an internet connection, a little bit of power, and you're good to go.
And if you're office space, I would recommend a physical phone system such as the NEC. It helps keep you organized, scalability is manageable, and you'll be able to see how many and which phones are connected. If you're a small business, I would recommend the SL2100, and if you're a medium to large business, I recommend the SV9100.
Cool. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Hope you found this video useful. Do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ding that bell to be notified of any future videos. And on this Halloween, don't be tricked. Get yourself a treat with Midshire, the business communications experts.